Now we shall look at how do we multitask, work with different files, different softwares at the same time with ease. One of the shortcuts for that is Alt plus Tab working at the same time in order to go between different open files or open softwares. For example, if you press these two together, after pressing the Alt down, press the Tab, then you can move between like these programs. Go on pressing different till you reach what you need to open, and then leave hand, that will open. For example, if I leave hand now, PowerPoint is open. So then what work you want to do here, or if you want to copy something from here or something, after that when you want to go to next, copy from here and go and paste somewhere else, you can go that side, you can paste here, then go to some other file to open. For example, now in order to search some book, search some files in a folder, you open that one folder and you are working and search for that one, and then suddenly you go back to another software what you are working with, for example Excel, and then work for a little while, something you do it here, and then after that again you go back to which software you want to work on, or in between you change to website. This is my website on various topics which I have made. So like that you can go on working at the same time with different, or if you want to see at the same time different options, you can just minimize, not minimize, right, keep it little down, little smaller. So like this you can adjust and halfway, and then keep that way, then open another one, that also you can do that way, keep it another side, this kind of arrangement, so that you can work at the same time. Then open another one, that also you click on that and then keep it some other side. So this way at the same time you can work in different place and then see accordingly, then you can adjust, work between this and that. When you touch on this, that will be in front, then touch on this, that will be in front. So something of that sort we can. Or if you right click on the taskbar and say cascade windows, then everything will be seen in a particular order, so that we can see all at the same time the headings. Then you can click easily. For example, see it is arranging by itself. So now everything is seen little, so you can click any one edge anywhere and you click, that will be in front. Now for example this one is there, so if you touch on that, that will be in front. If you touch on this, this will be in front. If you touch on this, that will be in front. So that way it becomes easier. Again, once again I'm trying that. So now see all the headings of all those files we have. So if you have saved into different file names, and one shot you know which one you need to touch, so that will be in front. So if you, for example, if you touch on this, that will be in front. If you touch on this, that will be in front. Or now so many things are together, but suddenly you wanted to go back to the desktop, you can right click here and say that show the desktop. See here, show the desktop. So everything will minimize and only desktop is visible. So everything is open, but all have gone to different place. Then you can use Alt Tab to go between. Alt Tab, then everything will be in front. So you choose and leave the hand when you reach the place what you need to work on at the present. So now if you leave hand, then that is, then you can enlarge with the using this. This is minimizing, this is maximizing, this is closing. So this is, remember, so that we can do lot of work at the same time. Then from one place to the other you can copy paste, select this and then Control C for copying or Control X for cutting, then Control V for pasting. All that between the programs we can do from one program to the other. If you are working two files at the same time, for that matter, you keep one at this side and work on this, and then in between you can correct on the other file at the right side. So this kind of things are useful when you are at working on two different files. Here one file and then open one more file and keep the other side. So for example, one is original and other one is for duplicate, one for correction, and at the same time you can work on both, clicking this side, that side, copy paste, cut paste, all that.